What is up? Welcome to the channel. Today we are here with Kamelot. One more flag in the ground. I want to say a thanks to Justin for the recommendation over on Patreon. If anyone else has any recommendations they want done right away, you can go over on Patreon and check it out. I have not heard of Kamelot. Don't know who they are. Don't know this song, but I feel like it's gonna be awesome. Let's jump right into the action. Here we go. That's cool looking.
One more flag in the ground.
First stops. Sounds awesome.
I am an island waiting for hell to unleash on my shore. Joy is my weapon. I am preparing for war. I shall walk on.
was that? That was awesome. What a video. Yes. What an epic song and video. The video was crazy. And the song was so good. I'm not even... Some crazy battle going on in there. Light up mouths and tons of stuff. I can't even remember everything that happened. Really cool song. I need to add more close-up hand when I'm in my videos, you know. I thought it looked pretty cool. This probably looks... I don't know where to put the hand right now, but I'll figure it out. And then you just wait. There'll be more close-up hand action, which might be good or not. We'll see. Really enjoyed it. That was awesome. If you guys have any more suggestions for Kamelot, I've never heard of them. I would love to check some more out, throw them in, or anything else you guys want me to check out. It'd be awesome. I am done here. Catch you guys later. Be safe. Peace out.